Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of a new Moissanite ring that I received from the company called Doveggs. So if you would like to see the gorgeous ring that's inside this box, just keep on watching. The reason I decided to get this ring here was because I actually lost the center diamond in my original engagement ring. So I had been wearing my original engagement ring for about 12 years, and about 2 years ago I happened to look down and my center diamond was gone. I was so shocked. I didn't believe it was real, and my heart just sank. I was just so sad, and I couldn't believe this happened to me. So my husband actually offered to replace the ring for me and even upgrade it, but instead of doing that, I put the ring away. So in the meantime, I just wore a bunch of different rings along with my original wedding band. It's actually been a lot of fun wearing different rings. I have some rose quartz, I have a moonstone, I have an opal, I also have a white sapphire in here, and a couple of blue topaz rings. So one stone that I did not have was a Moissanite, and I really wanted one because I've heard a lot of great things about them, and they're so much more affordable than a diamond, but they still give you the look of a real diamond. So the one that I got here is from the company called Doveggs Seattle, and I will link them down in the description box in case you want to check them out. So every piece that you order from them does come with a certificate of authenticity, and this card also has your lifetime brilliance warranty on it, along with your warranty ID number. So Doveggs does offer a 12-year maintenance plan on any of the Moissanite pieces that you purchase from them, and they also have a 30-day return and exchange policy. Another item that is included with every purchase is a cleaning cloth. And you also get this ring sizer, so if you were wanting to purchase another ring for a different finger and you didn't know the size, I think this would come in handy for your next purchase. And the last item that was included was this company brochure that you see. And here is the actual ring box, and when you open the top to this white box, there is a smaller gold box inside. And one thing I will say is I was really impressed with the packaging. So watch this. When you open the gold box, it opens up into a beautiful pink rose, and the ring starts to pop right out of the center, and I just thought that was a beautiful touch. Overall, I thought it was a very unique way to present a ring, and here's a close-up of what the ring looks like. So I just kept it pretty simple. I chose a round cut ring. It is a 1 carat Moissanite solitaire, and it's in 14 karat white gold. I will have the link to this exact ring in the description box in case you are interested, and it was pretty affordable at under $300. And I will say the shipping was very fast. It only took a few days for the ring to get to me. And here's what the ring looks like with my original white gold wedding band. And here's what the Moissanite looks like next to my original engagement ring. As you can see, I have some diamonds right here on the side. So when you put the two side by side, they actually look very similar. Like I would not be able to tell which was the diamond and which was the Moissanite. Another great thing about this company is they do offer loose stones, so I could actually purchase a princess cut stone to fit in the center of my original engagement ring if I wanted to. So that's probably an option I will consider in the future. Overall, I would say I'm very happy with my Moissanite ring. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And if you are in the market for a Moissanite diamond alternative, definitely check out Doveggs. They have a great selection. And like I mentioned, I will have all of the links down in the description box in case you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.